In order to build applications with React, you should have at least 3 months of experience programming in JavaScript. So in this section, I'm going to cover the essential JavaScript features that you're going to use a lot in React applications, such as let versus const keywords, objects, the this keyword and how it behaves differently, arrow functions, object destructuring, the spread operator, classes, and modules. Make sure you know all these topics well before going further, otherwise you're going to have a lot of difficulty later down the road. I just need to clarify that in this section, I'm not going to go really deep in these concepts because this is a React course, not a JavaScript course. As I told you before, I've got 2 other JavaScript courses for you. One is called JavaScript Basics for Beginners, and the other is Object-Oriented Programming in JavaScript. The focus of the first course is on the art of problem solving. It teaches you how to think like a programmer. Unfortunately, there are a lot of developers out there in the industry who can build applications with Angular, React, and all kinds of fancy frameworks, but they cannot solve simple programming problems. Because they're self-taught programmers, they have never attended a college or university, they never learned the fundamentals of computer science and software engineering. And that's why I've designed this course. The focus of the second course is on more advanced topics such as constructor functions, objects, prototypes, inheritance, polymorphism, classes, and more. All right, that's enough introduction. Now, let's get started.